show you how y'all really get this shit done. You in the presence of the king and a god now. Yo, show them why you the king. Look, the Pokédex entry is Darumaka. Always spitting this hot shit. Lights niggas of all time, you will never be in my cockpit. These badges all in my vest, I got these monsters all in my pocket. Point battle, we aiming at them, we blasting all Team Rocket. Boy, stop it, you ain't passing like you pseudo-wudo blocked in. When with any Pokemon PC, they ain't gotta be in my top 6. They all secret weapons, I sweep the section. Future sight, we don't need perception. My signal beams, we don't need reception. Your souls are mine, I'm just recollecting. My preconception, God level. Arceus, you bow down. I'm like Silk Coat when you was little, nigga. I'm way too hard to figure out now. All you niggas do the same shit. Your friends and parties, they full of diddles. Y'all always get
what's up, Ash? How you doing? My audio level's good? Hold on.
I know you really see me eating this beat. I'm like crocking out with this shit. And I'm locking on your shit. I want it all, we working, we getting busy. You a cotton ball in this bitch. All you niggas soft as whimsical.
Music feels a bit loud. Alright, I think my audio levels are good. How are you? I'm doing good. Doing good. I'm just making sure everything is okay. Stream's okay. Let me just pin that message. There we go. Alright. I wasn't gonna stream this early, but I'm up and awake. Alright, so the music site, I'm working on. I'm gonna be working on the music randomizer site throughout the rest of this year. This weekend, I'm working on the rest of the MusicTierList site for now. There's some things I need to fix, and that's what I plan to get done this weekend. So, because it's in beta mode, the site, you know, it's okay that it's half broken, but I'm trying to get ads on the site, so that's a thing that I'm trying right now. And I'm also trying to get my API quota for the music randomizer site up. And I hope they approve it, and I hope there's no issues. That's one thing I'm afraid of, is them coming back to me saying there's issues, because I don't know, because they had me submit a video and I was like, okay, but as far as I'm aware, I'm following all the rules of the YouTube and Google API rules, so, but you know, and it's all embedded videos, so I don't know what they want. And if they ask me to change something, I will, obviously, but at the same time, I'm hoping that it's not like, oh, take down the whole site, like, no. In which, if they do ask me to take down the whole site, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Because I do feel like I am in the right of how I use the site, so, but I think I'm stressing over nothing. So right now, we're gonna be adding albums, so you can choose an artist and then have an album be selected, but I still need to work on that. What is up with this image? Is this just what the album is? Yeah, that, I gotta fix this image. Oh, and that's another thing I did throughout last week is I fixed the images. And I did some other code changes too. No, 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 no. Okay, so let me save this to the images. What artist is this? Get at me, bitch. Get at me, bitch. Finger on the trigger and I'm playing it. See if it fixed it stuff. It's probably taking it from the actual site, not from my local post. Which I need to figure out a solution for. Yeah, I need to put it on the site. But I'm not gonna push these changes to the site until Monday. Or until they get back to me on Google. Open up my Gmail. Because they might not actually get back to me on the weekend. Damn, I didn't think about that. Because I'm not supposed to really alter the site when they do their review. So I kind of just have to wait. It sucks, but it is what it is. But yeah, so I need to do some stuff. Hold on. This. Alright, so let me increase this width. Alright. I need to have a set width here. But how did I... Why is this? Hey, look, this is a select, but this is like a whole span selection stuff here. What? Pikachu, 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 Pikachu. Oh, what do you mean a second? Wait, no. Oh yeah, here, hold on. want that. Oh my god. It's because this doesn't have any. This is small as hell, so. Like, if I put this here. Here, look. So maybe. Let me see if this will do it. Bro. There's a better way to doing this. Let's see. I said large, just be long. $3.3 million. That's great. This is a tag. Will this work? No, that does not work. See if these will work. Skip frames. That's we really doing this today, computer? Alright, there we go. Yeah, I'm fine with that. Alright, so when we select an artist, this drop down should update. So what we should be doing in our code is when we call, oh wait, hold on. Let me check which files are these all good files to be looking at. Because I did have to do some changes. Okay, they're good. They are good. Alright, yeah, so when I do the drop down, I should load this again, but this time, load items, we should do load items. What we should do is this. With this attached. Bro, why is it skipping frames? I've literally changed nothing with my settings. What's up, the outside cyclone? How you doing? Alright, so do this. This will be artist selected. So this will update the drop downs. So yeah, so if I do this, yeah, this updates the drop downs and it updated. Oh, and it changed that name to. Okay. Alright, so what we need to do here, update layout songs. What we need to do here is album selected, load items. And so because we run this, we need to get is this because look, so it didn't even get the artist for some reason. And that's because for some reason we passed it with the underscore, which doesn't make, no, it makes sense, but at the same time it doesn't make sense in terms of what we choose. Because on the first one, we don't do that. So maybe. Wait, what? I'm so confused on. That's why when I hit the beat. So in the code, load items. Update layout songs. We did this. And then we did load layout, downloads, and then we did this, artist selected, drop down dot value. Oh wait, I got these. I think I got these backwards. Artist selected is equals artist drop down. I got these backwards. Alright. Alright, so now I choose that, and then I choose this. It... Why does it reset to... Alright, hold on. I know why, but at the same time, why? Oh wait, alright. So in the code... God damn. That shit froze for a second. The fuck's going on? Stream lagging like crazy. Nothing I can do though. Alright, so what I gotta do is this. If we gotta do this, so that way it doesn't refresh. Okay. So then when I click this, it should load the songs, and that's what I'm gonna do. So next, it should load tier items, and then what's that? Tier items. If album selected, select all songs. So instead of this, what we are going to do here is like that, and then what we're going to do here, this here, and then what we're going to do here basically is this here, except we're going to put, no, that's right, except we're going to put song name, or whatever the hell it's called. Yeah, it's called song name. Yep. Alright. So this way, huh, it should have, oh wait, I see, alright, hold on. Alright, for some reason, it doesn't load. There's a reason for this. Album selected. Oh, that's why. But why does it do that? I know why. In the code, we do this. We don't want to do this, but we do want to, I think, escape it, because I know we're gonna run into issues here. We want to do, I think, add slashes. because there's gonna be albums where they have weird characters. Bro, if I plug in the Ethernet cord right now, I'm gonna have to restart the stream, and I'm not trying to restart the stream. Alright, so now if I pick this, it does this, but I need to add a background to this. Screw. Alright, it's one of these align things here. But let me add the CSS for it. Alright, now how align items, center, no. Align content, center, nope. Align self, center, nope. CSS push, fucking fuck. Margin width. Text align center. If you're new to that stream, or to this stream, not that stream, hit that like button, follow, subscribe, all that good stuff. Oh, vertical align, I forgot about that. Vertical align, middle, that did not work. Display table style. That did not work. Oh, I mean, yeah, I can do this. I'm not sure. Let's see if this works. And then I want to add it to this here, so people know what they're fucking looking at. Why is that? I know why. Alright. CSS. When I did that, so we're gonna do this. I believe that's all we had to do. I have to do anything else here. Alright, so if you select an artist, it does that. This, it does that, but do we not add? Do I need this maybe? Oh, we already have absolute. So we just need display table on that then. Alright, so that should center it. And I do want to fix this issue. I thought I fixed it last time, but no. I have not been able to fix it. Like, cause that shit is so annoying. Look at it. It doesn't make any sense whatsoever. And it's not. It's cause of the this height, I believe. Yeah, it's this height being different here. I like that. I believe that puts the album there. Yeah. What the fuck happened here? What the fuck is this? I'm gonna say overflow. Oh no. Overflow. So now, if you wanted to, you could. Not that one. It's not that. Where's the... See, it does that. I'm not trying to... No, get off the fucking... Wrap it down. That looks better, and then this margin bottom. And then let's test some albums. Let me put yeah, so if I do that, yeah, that's fine. So on this, min with I don't think that that's supposed to be like that. What happened here? Oh wait a second, I put min width, but max width. If I change this to max width, yeah, that makes more sense. Ooh. There we go. And then if I choose like this, will it work still? Make sure. I got. Wait, break word.
That's crazy.
What the fuck?
You ain't fucking with the kid when I pull up on a nigga with the 40 on my hip and that's where his mama stay and put the barrel to his red. Bitch, I'm hungry for whatever. On my shoulder got a chip and dip it looking for a problem cause I'm ignorant as shit. Try a nigga that gauge, kick back, it's extra lazy. I've been this shit. That's Mr. Hanky, yo, bitch, she pay me, want mine and yours. That's extra gravy. Dick got her mouth foaming like a bitch with rabies. Made a couple niggas mad when I fall up in a chick like, oh, she Daisy. That nigga get it cracking like the floor is
it's because of this display table.
I'm a force, so maybe he fucking with a nigga. This could turn a robot chicken when the toys go crazy. I was born amazing, I'm a die terrific. Lord Trophy nigga, don't forget the honorific. Fuck with me and my niggas be another statistic. Chopper make a nigga flip like Summer Olympics. I'm getting to the money, I'm just doing it different.
Alright, hold on.
On you niggas if I'm being specific, then I ask them
It's on this, it's gotta be different, so
my verse is too ratchet. Got your head leaking, boy, you can't even match it. All the shit you talking, think you
how do I know?
you crying, you scream while I'm blasting. The shit I got with me, you can't even fathom. Your brains on the floor, I see what you imagine. I got no compassion, I kill you bitches. Then my young nigga Omar, put your ass in the casket. Hope you enjoying yourself. Cause I just got tired of waiting. Now I'm coming for the belt. Told you niggas I ain't messing around. I told you niggas, all you common haters come in Vegas and people trying to steal my sound. Come get all of your insults.
Yeah, so if I do this,
Fuck on my enemy, sleep on the kid, put you out of your misery. Looking like MK, no flaws in my victory. Bars I be spitting, put niggas
and I do earbuds, So this has to have a display of just nothing. So we gotta do tier vods to containers to this to flip card. No. So we just skip it all the way to this.
You see, me and Shofu, we kings of this rap shit. So if you're trying to overthrow us, good luck.
Bro, why does this keep saying I have 4 viewers, but no.
I was trying to rest, y'all woke me from my fucking slumber.
Thanks to Team Uncle, all your days are fucking hurricane, make it rain. Alright, now we have to add the overflow to it. So this should have overflow. Or maybe, is there like a font size? But if I do small, things like this will be small, right? Yeah, I'll add it. Text align center. But I need to add overflow. Yeah, see, how come when I do this, why does it have this dot dot dot? Oh wait, no. Yeah, so why does it have dot dot dot? The while loop is down here. It's because we have I think it's because we have an option, but we need to see, that doesn't make sense here. So if I do this and just add this, it's the same thing, but I believe we're gonna get different treatment. And it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter because it's why do I even stream at 60 frames per second? If I stream at 30, no, wait, see, I still get the Is it because of these things? I know what to do. It's this. There we go. I mean, it doesn't matter. It should have been all. Album selected all. Oh wait, and album selected does not include all. Now if I choose 100 gets, then I do this. Undefined song. How is that? Oh wait, this is it's just Matt Houston. Ain't a trainer better, man. It's just Matt Houston. Ain't a trainer better, man. There we go. Let's go. And then shit. It's gonna be like that. I should just say align. There we go. Justify contact center. And I believe it should add more if I can increase the screen size. Yeah, it does. Show proof and chizzy 6. You know what I want to fix? Been bothering me like crazy. This damn height. Alright, so hold on. This height, that height goes there, but this height doesn't go there, which is awkward. And then, how did I determine the height for these? 10.3. But I have a feeling if I resize, yeah, the resize doesn't work that well. And then even with the 9 VH, I think it doesn't work that well. Because, like, look, I could still do that, and then I think if I refresh, it might be okay. Yeah, see, if it doesn't scale that well, which is weird. What is this?
Topsy-turvy, I did you dirty. I'm the king, motherfucker, Pokemon 230. I'm unknown with hidden power. It's my time to shine like a greeny owl. Put me on any track and I will devour.
Oh, it's this thing.
For alligators, can't see you haters. Done spars, but you hate my motivation to start. Now I'm slowly getting better and my lines are getting clever. I'm enduring any hits and then returning with the nervous.
Never.
You be feeling under weather. From all I get smacked down, never. You gotta
never.
be joking me, get wings, nigga being flies. My priority, you're rolling like a bundle beam.
That's the same as I think doing 100%, no? Yeah, that's just the same as doing 100%. So let me just do that now. And then let me get the oh, yeah. Never.
Tacos and guacamole, so call me a ludicolo. Flow so local, I'm burning, burst turning girls into ho-hos. These hoes all on me like hard, so I smoke them out like a target. My stick in your girl's mouth, I stay in there, that's Pangoro. Change it up like a mellow, I said I'll never bring myself down to the level of these featherweights. These far-fetched freaking heads will sever when I mega evolve. Then I hit him with the aerolade. Yeah, I'm pincer off the top of the head. I'm tyrant, or you fossils are dead. And I craft like Picasso with pens. You smeagol drawing a sketch with Darumaka in the hospital bed, huh? Cause your baby fire flow just fainted. Rogan roller, oh you clones though, faceless. This quack sire make the crowd go whooper. Drill them, then I'm out. This be no you, friend. Yes, who's back? Did you miss me much? I'm hearing these niggas talking shit, trying to jinx me, bruh. Paralyzed cause the ladies wanna lick me, bruh. And a couple of fodder niggas trying to diss me, bruh. Acting out cause I got them intimidated, I'll be Gudra. Put them in a sticky situation, you loser. Fuck around, I'm pointing a laser to open up your jaw like Mega Ray Quasar. Hotter than a desolate land, wavier than primordial sea. Little nigga, I ain't even go primal. That ain't something you want to see. I'm known amongst towns for shutting shit down and holding more arms than Hooper unbound. Flapping your neck, I'll be blasting a tech, shit'll flying hit harder than dragging a sin. I'm a savage, you next for the cabbage you check. I'll be rapping your tongue around the back of your neck, Greninja. Yeah, lurking in shadows, launching metal to pierce in your marrow. Whack is the word to describe y'all proper. You'll be slapped if you try to intercept my job, bruh. Bitch boys don't want me all riled up. Swing, hope you got a strong jaw like Tyrant. Never been a shook one. Levitating earthquakes, made the shit known on my very first birthday. Sweet cool, ain't another nigga matching up. Hard colder than a motherfucking Avalok. Shock in on the web like a vantula. Give you close some rope, I'm poison. When I kick something toxic broke, I goes in, knowing hard as I. Your girl busted mouth open wide like Carnivine. To ingest her interest, six legit, throwing shadow balls. Look at the flick of the wrist, let that shit bang bang, that's all block. With a fire punch that'll leave your soul rock. Jokes, cell phones, now you're getting this message. I'm the illest legendary nigga, never forget it. Jirachi, Versace, these niggas can't stop me. Your bitch one ain't longer, I killing it stronger, you looking at Moxie. Your girl give me liquor tongue, told her I get it done, palm in her root tonight. The coldest thing living, you niggas gon' get it, now where's my sweet coon tonight? Easy. It's 2015 and we living. Y'all irrelevant niggas looking for attention. I laugh at y'all. It's light.
I be that nerdy dude, the one that raps better than you. Dude, the one that raps better than you. Nothing better to do. I be that nerdy dude, the one that raps better than you. Ooh, I don't know. Alright. Oh, and you know what I wanted to do? Let's just look this up. I'm gonna just look this up because there's no point on trying to do that. No, that's not what I want. Alright, no, I'm gonna just do it. While that loads, we're gonna put an icon next to it. Oh, and then what we need to do here is if we have custom names, what we're gonna need to do here is, well, we're gonna have to do a lot of coding. There's quite a few things we're gonna have to do. I think we do this. And then I think, So what I'm doing here is this. I'm doing on mouse over, on mouse leave, display pencil. And then what we're gonna do here is function. I thought I just my Control C and Control V are fucking up all the time. So it's gonna be element, and then display, and it's gonna be if display equals show levels. And then what we're gonna do here is, I believe we could just do this. It doesn't matter what the thing is there. And then, oh, I need to put, refresh this. See what this looks like first of all. Okay, I think I got it backwards. And we don't want to say display none, I think we want to say visibility none, or hidden. And then what we want to do here is add to the CSS of it. Oh no, we could just say on an inline here. Actually, let's do display none. It will look better. And then we also want to put this on the text thing itself. Yeah. I come in with the goons. Bro, like my whole Discord just froze. What the fuck? I need to check on something. Stupid, they call it Verify. Oh wait, I see what happened here. I didn't put it on. And then this should also be. My wrist is so stupid, they call it Verify. Alright. Now, when you click on it, we're going to say on click equal change row name. What we're going to have to do is and then change row name. Then what we're gonna have to then do is what we're gonna have to then do is append a. We're gonna do a sort of like a document. Let me make sure I'm doing this correctly. And then what we need to do actually is add a ID here so it can be correct. And what we want to do then is say let's say var and then yeah, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna do var text input equals document dot create element input text input dot type equals text. And then what we want to do here is get this thing. So we're gonna get ID dot prepend and then text input. And then what we want to then do is get this. What do I want to then do? CSS display and then none. Same thing with this. And then what we want to then do, I think we want to say text input dot value equals, and then what we would need to do here for the value is we need to get the current text, which should be this. Which, wait, no, we don't do it like that, because if we're gonna change it, I think we're just gonna have to do this dot inner text What was it that? Input type equals text. Can I type in here? Oh, I can. Oh, shit. Alright, then hold on. A line item. Oh shit! B to the double ghetto. I got all the CP. I got all the CP. Alright, something about this didn't work. So let's see. This did not work. When did they, when did jQuery switch it to be where you had to do that? Cause it was never like this, from what I recall. So that's a bit confusing. And then we need to do here. We add a oh wait, oh, and then this has to have vertical align middle, text align center. Your badges minus 10 for minimum plasma, my momentum. Oh wait, it doesn't have a... Slow bro, you think good riddance, I said fuck the law, then fuck the law like now why is it like that? Big Rocky, not a nice brick. 200 flash on the dash on my flight ring. Dirt, bit of dirt, with a vice grip. 5 note cat like I'm 5'6". Text input flash with alright, hold on. Let me see this one. It does. You're finna need a oven mitt. I don't even move, score funny with the double kick. Oh. On mouse sleeve, we did not. We should remove this. And then what we should do is get the value. Input value. So in the code, I'm gonna show the code. So for the code, what we're doing here is this, and then I think we could do attribute value. And then what we want to do here is we want to go back to global variables, and what we're going to do here, we're going to say careless name doesn't matter. So default careless name. So we're going to say custom tier names. And what this is going to go in order. So we're going to keep it as A, B, C, and D. And then what we want to do here is set tier list, tier custom names, and then we gotta get the index to equal input value. And what we want to do here, actually, we should add an ID here. So if we get the ID, we can do this dot ID row index. What we want to do actually input name drop down, and we get that. Attribute dot split. Oh wait. Wait, no. We keep this as value. We want to get var input text index, and we want to do this dot value dot ID dot split of this of 1 text index here. We set it to that, and then what we want to do here we want to set this dot text dot attribute value no inner HTML equals input value. I believe that's what we're going to do. Something happened. Row index is not defined. Let me leave my Gmail open just in case they want to get back to me. Split of undefined. But if I click on it, where's my text input box? And then what we should do is shit. wait, text input class. Does this not have a... There we go. Now, yeah, so we get to the end of it. Oh, hold on. Let's just do... Let's just do this. Rather than on mouse out, because on mouse out will be tricky. On mouse leave. So what we should just do is so let's just do just add a blur to it. Function new text input. So then what we want to then do is when we prepend it, we want to get this. Basically. Text input add event listener blur function new text input. And then what that does, this basically so that way it doesn't exist anymore. Because that on mouse leaf handler is too much. And then the display table is not what we're looking for. So I think we're in line below. No. Probably remove this at the end. Oh wait, we already do that. I should have changed gold. Don't you looking for that shit? What the fuck? I thought it was mouse. Or is it just called mouse sleeve? It's called mouse sleeve. Hop up on the SSN with the Mexicans on the SSN. I'm the motherfucking captain. Hello? Doesn't not want to. It's not on the. What's a horse do a dinosaur kill? T-Rex the dactyl. Knock the air out that bitch. Always factual. Always factual. IDM forever after. Red can never rival that. Oh, it's the... How did it not? Yeah, the on mouse sleeve is not working. Oh, because that's on the... That's why. Alright, hold on. Alright, hold on. Come on. Now let's try this. Okay, now I want to do, if I click off, which is blur, it should have detected next input. So let's try. And then I think I know why this ain't working. then I want to fix this height issue here. That's okay. Element is not defined. Where do I have that? Oh, I see. I don't even need that. But does it really stop the whole thing from... There we go. And then... Oh wait, no, this is supposed to be inline block. Oh, no, this is supposed to be, yeah, this is supposed to be inline block on, yeah, on the pencil, inline block, and this. That's not supposed to be blocked. Okay, so this one is here name. I'll put right here. And I didn't refresh, but why does it do that spacing? Outside click list. Focus out, blur, use capture. Alright, let me try adding that.
You can get smoke, that's a cigarette. Wait, get smoke, that's a cigarette. I get all these bitches wet, all these bitches give me mad. If the niggas fucking with
Pow, pow. Oh, it only works if it's focused. So then what I need to do here is do this. And then when I do this though, this pencil is an issue. Oh, the pencil should be initial, but it should also be none. Did it not it work? That's crazy. Wait, it really, if I do that and then click outside it, that's crazy. Alright, hold on. Oh, you know why? Because, and I'm surprised it didn't. Oh, this is why this didn't work. Okay. Yes, sir. And then that's why it's just didn't work. Attribute is not a function. Hey, at least we paused it. Thank God. Damn. Settings null, enter HTML. say 9VH. But this width, because hold on. That width should be auto. So and then we should say that you can't do. I need to. Do this, figure it out. Because we want to make it so it doesn't have. We don't want them to put so much text on there, so I think we're gonna limit it to 50. But then again, it's like, actually, I don't care, because it's on them, it's on the person. It shouldn't be up to me to fix people's mistakes. Ain't nobody after us. Ain't nobody after us. Last in line, ain't nobody after us. I said ain't nobody after us. Oh yeah, that's wrong song. Ain't nobody after us. I need to check something real quick. The site's still getting ready, which, does this mean I can still, please don't remove this site and resubmit it. Will I still be able to update my site though? Because I want to be able to update it. Did this not? Oh wait, what? Text index display. How's it not? Oh, I see. And then that pencil thing. Yes, but this should be... maybe these need to be flexed and stand together?
You ain't ready for the big league, you ain't but the money, nigga, miss me, huh? Got your bitch on me and you know she tryna kiss me. Red hair looking like Misty, huh? Wrist so cold, but I rep so flow. Man, your boys on ice, don't jinx me, huh? Fire and fly, man, I feel like, oh, you ain't touching this flow, like, bitch, please, huh? Yeah, run through these gyms with my squad, yeah. Fuck with the team, you get tossed, yeah. Safari warning with the block, yeah. Aiming at your him on top, yeah. Giovanni, I'm your boss, yeah. Y'all niggas grunts, try catch up shit, y'all been waiting for months. When I spit, boy, that's second to none. Yeah, we do this for fun. Don't get it twisted, I still got my hand on the gun. You think it's sweet, I'ma snatch him. Yo, bitch, give your girlfriend a licky, she sit on my tongue. Back in this hoe like a boss, I just floss on you niggas. You roll, but my crew never run yet. We running this shit, got my gang in this bitch, and I still got that gassy right up in my lungs. Whoa. I got your girl on the passenger while I just sponge. Pockets on chancy, you niggas can't stand me, so I be sure to levitate when I come. Phone always busting that shit like a beach, I ain't picking up if it ain't about funds. We pulling up heavy, you niggas ain't ready, king in this bitch, and the rain that's begun. I drop a Zan in the lead. I got a muck in the stands. Nigga, we came from the bottom. Nigga, we ain't going back. We headed straight to the league. Walk in my gym, you gon' leave empty-handed. How you expect to get in with no cloud? Nigga, I don't understand it. About the money, why open your mouth? Nigga, I don't understand it. Goddamn. How you expect to get in with no cloud? Nigga, I don't understand it. Open your mouth. Nigga, I don't understand it. How you expect to get in with no cloud? Nigga, I don't understand it.
I gotta use the restroom badly.
Your money.
DJ Sunfree.
Trying to show these niggas why we on some legendary shit. You already know. Again. Yeah. Ready? Shout out DJ Sonic Freak. Get him. They call it show food, woke up hard, brother. Y'all niggas soft like tofu. When a nigga know the 6 dude, you don't even know, dude. Show food, he's the one to go to. Make it rain, we make it hell. You better come with your snowshoes. Old news, Pokemon bars, beat the fuck out of the Pro Tools. Now hold up, let me switch my flow up. Pocket full of donuts, go nuts. Electro, how I roll up. And a nigga got the tendency to fucking blow up. Any beat, I'm on. Let me teach you a lesson. I get the impression you need the attention. Out of Pokemon, go to heaven when niggas is lethal injection. The mental aggression, I'm going. Smite goes to the 6 legendary moves with show food. When this bitch frost last and it's cool as a shit. Who is this kid? Just a nigga shocking, that's right, cool in this bitch. Johto be the home. Every time I float, an earthquake starts splitting your dome. Fall to the bone, fold home, you not sick. I'm out of this world, the odds is my spits. Start when my flow dumps, cause I'm talking plenty bitches in my hydro pump. I go dumb as a side duck. With your female all on my nuts. How wild out on me, your skull on my head. How you fucking with a legend when you just an egg? I'm not to prove that I execute. Think not, and I'm scrambling, you execute, boy. Motherfucker, I'm red. Sweet film 6. I see what you doing, and I like what I'm seeing. She told me she want more, so she used encore. I took her with on tour. She let me in her TM49, all because the flow is legendary like an Arcanine. You see I'm raw, that's the reason why you stare at me. We the same level, but you got here with rare candies. You ain't worthy, better get to the part and trust. You in the presence of a god, Arceus. Pikachu's not the best, bitch, what the fuck is you telling me? Going against the mascot, boy, that is a felony. And I do it all for the bragging rights. I'm running traffic lights, backpacks, right, Snorlax appetite. Dust cloud take you to the afterlife, you ain't half as nice. The most potent beyond what's in your needles. I go Groudon, you go Weedle. Swift as a sneasel, anybody creep up, I'm rocking your skin. Fuck what you heard, Peter. Dumbasses. Next time y'all try to protest Pokemon, make sure you do a little bit of research before you look fucking stupid.
Real shit.
Suicune 6. Shofu.
Yep.
Eh?
Bitch. WDFA, FDNX. This song goes out to all the people that still ask me how I get my Pokemon up to level 100 so quickly. Pokemon, 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 Pokemon. Catch 'em all, catch 'em all, catch 'em all, catch 'em all. And that's really all that matters. TM87, so you know we got swagger. Yeah, we got the time to get to S, you'll need a ladder. Gotta catch 'em all to be a Pokemon master. Gotta catch 'em faster. Psych, I ain't catching shit. If I need a Pokemon, I'm saving it. If I need a certain item, I'm hacking it. I ain't got time to be breeding or be hatching shit. I got that out the way, let me go in. Your girlfriend, I treat her like a goat pen. She wore my PP down, had my shit struggling. Don't be shocked, hella kids straight buzzing them. Blowing up, I'm a star, you just bubbling. Choice band, toga kiss, I be hustling. Tornadus, landorus, thunderous, bitch, I ain't sitting on top of a cloud. That means I'm high, puffing that loud. The color purple, color cloud. You win original Game Boy.
Bro.
Screen, you red version. 8 badges, I'm gold version. 16 swag, Mr. Mom. When haters talk, I do not hear a sound, bitch.
Are you in spam? Can't be fucking. Bro, I've only been live for 2 hours. And I put you. Fuck off. I literally went to the bathroom. Oh, now you're deleting your messages? That's crazy. That's crazy. And just for that, I'm just gonna hide your messages forever. Don't come back, please. Annoying ass. Alright, back to where I was at. So, what was I doing? Oh yeah, we don't want to allow a user to. We don't want it to be empty, so it's empty. So now it shouldn't. My FPS shouldn't be empty. So even if I do that, oh, never mind. I thought. Pokemon. Oh wait, I see what I gotta do. I gotta do that actually down here. Alright, so that should be good. Here, I actually don't know. I don't like when people spam in the chat. Shit is so annoying. Okay. So what we should add is padding on the container. Yeah, on the container. I think we gotta add padding to it. We need to do that. Huh. Oh wait, I know what I can do here, actually. I can literally just take this out. Fix it. Alright, so I want this. See, why is it? I think now I gotta do 5% actually. And then I think I should do 10. Yeah, I should do that.
Hey man, it's that 2013 Showful and Young Bass or shit, man. We
ignorant.
Even though it's 2016, you know? IDM, we still up in this motherfucker. Young Bass Lord, I'm still up in this motherfucker. You already know Showful in this motherfucker. Are we skiing on all y'all like we flexing? We flexing on all y'all, man. Showful, how are we flexing, dog? We flexing? CT Rex attract, so how make you drop your jaw just like Tarantrum? Crunch you on my side, go punk a boot, turn your ass into a phantom. Come through, I'm snatching your badges and money and girl up for ransom. Now she don't wanna leave. Like a barbarical, I'm just too handsome. Yeah, I'm a handful, straight out of Canto. I be your anthem, this is the anthem. Throw your banter, I just dismantle all of your chances.
Hold on, I'm reading something.
Like a lamp, huh? Live with this shit like a chandelier. Running through your six like Canada. Lanes with the standard Sanders spam and start trying to burn me like senator. Your lady owes me a debt, don't forget I'ma let my turn win like a Lannister. Risk ain't so cold, it's on deliver. Skirt, 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 skirt. Like the winner Olympics, whipping up heat in the kitchen. I see me spicy, I'm pimping. Scratch the I walk with the limping. Blessings don't come with extensions like
Hold up, wait, hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up, wait, hold up. Alright. And I forgot, yeah, you can clip now on my stream. Oh shit. They finally released this. Oh, that's so cool. You could, within a 15-second interval. Or you could choose a whole minute. You can make clips now.
Used to put these niggas in the ground with the mud shots, but now I put them in the sky with the uppercuts. Sacred fire in the booth, you a liar, I'm the truth. Right, you light a nigga up, got me feeling like I'm Zeus. Harden on my body, if you bite and lose a tooth. All these fucking guard boaters, who you trying to pollute? Anyone can get it, this ain't version exclusive. Crit game stupid, nigga I abuse it. Champion of music, got these badges, I can prove it. On Explode, I got acoustics. Slash, I leave them wounded. Strength, I move it, moving it through the guillotine. I
Alright, so now that it's empty, it just goes back to S. Yeah, why isn't hold up, wait, hold up. What's on you, train this machine? Oh, it's the dot trim, I believe. Flex on you, train this machine. Bro, what? Oh wait, what am I? Hold on. Alright, I see now. I see now. And that's... oh my god. Oh yeah, this is the whole reason why I did this. Okay, so I'm gonna say... pretty sure we put it on hover. Alright. Oh. And then what we need to do here. Align items, center. Here we go.
I'm harder than the milk tank of Whitney. You can use pursuit, but you will never get me. Catch you slipping, hit you with that water like Misty. Shoku too cold, now you gotta flare blitz me. I threw a rocket back, electrocuted Misty. Lieutenant Surge was easy and Erica tried to kiss me. Smoking Cali Kush with Koga and Sabrina was a bitch. Plane needed to cool down. Giovanni sleeps with fish.
Fuck Wario. Sweetie ass bitch. No.
To your water, man, I'll zap your fucking ass. When you're making progress
I put alright, so we don't want to put flex on it, but if we did, we need to get the width of it. So we need to get the width of this tier container. I have a feeling that that is more than 79. Yeah, so if it's more than 80, what's the fucking, there's a thing here where you can get gigs. I get that. Like this. So, if 80, now what we want to do here is we good. You can't do find on it. Oh, that's interesting. Alright, we're gonna assume it's always 1, I guess. Fuck. Why is my... Ah, what the fuck happened to my hand just now? Oh my god. Okay, so now if I do this, yeah, I can do that. Right. Shit like a Mola Lola backward. A Mola Lola backward. Oh wait, it's not. supposed to be.
Trying to rush out, woke me from my fucking slumber. Thanks to Team Aqua, all your days are fucking numbered. About to cause
Yeah, see, it should be.
when I raise, set the stage for that Bible prophecy. Count the days, 40 nights and 40 days. The primordial seed is what you get when you all started fucking.
Something's not adding up here in the code.
Kill everything that I see. If I'm the drown out the noise, then that's how it must be. But your existence and disease, your persistence.
Because if I do this, it should be. This shouldn't have initial. Because the width of this. Oh wait, I know why. Just this. I'm mutilated, no, I'm new to me. You've never been mutilated. Shut the fuck up, bitch. I don't give a shit. I don't give a shit. You know, trophy, man. Maybe need to do these prior to doing animosity probably burn as hot as me. There we go. And then I should probably put a reset on this. Animosity, burn as hot as me. What's that to a rainstorm? Alright. While that loads, takes up all the fucking bandwidth. There's a few things that I want to do. Let me get a list out here. Hello? Notepad? What the fuck you doing? My computer taking a hit. See, how come I can... Anyway, it's whatever. Alright, so, skipping frames is not a good stream is not happy. We won't have this issue in the new place. there's a few things we need to do. Alright, hold on. Let me save this. Hold on a second to do. Alright, to-do list. What we are going to do is rename our to-do list. We want to add key/legend to screenshot. If doing songs, add picture of album art to top screenshot. It's whatever. And then what we want to also do is with the screenshot, mobile screenshot choose. Oh, and then what got done? Renaming tiers. Because of that, I'm gonna change the font. Bro, how come I can't find a good font to use? Oh wait, it shows it down here. Oh, it doesn't do a preview? God damn. That's too much. Renaming tiers. Done. Songs. Doing tiers of songs. Done. Alright, I want to do both of these. Alright, and then, if I do, there's this other thing. I thought overflow is supposed to be on the other. Overflow should be on. I'm the shit. I'm the shit. And we going very fast, hey. To the top, and we going very fast, hey. Good ad albums. Why is the font so spread out? There we go.
You kissed him?
I'm moving like Gannon. My shoes you can't fathom. I load up the magnum. It hits like a cannon. No chest out with canyon. They asking what happened. Pink pussy like salmon. I'm balling like Madden. We get it. We trapping. It's right out the meshing. Plus straight from Cuba. I don't understand them. We kill them. We damn them. We aim them. We blam them. I know the assassins and your soul get abandoned. When I spit it's a classic. Dripping like acid. Bitch a fanatic. My stomach rumble about the shit on you bastards. Take me to the safer. You can see the shit don't get drastic. Bitch I really mean it nigga. I ain't being sarcastic. At the head of my classes. You can see that I'm the shit and you ain't needing no glasses. Putting feet up in asses. Niggas feel us. You fear us. You hear my shit thunderous. None of my business but I was just wondering.
See, that's the thing. If I want to make it so if you click on it, as soon as you click on it, it should run it once, at least once, I think. So I'm gonna do that. So on the image, so in the code, what I'm going to do here is on the image. I don't think we have right now. We don't. Good. We're gonna have an onClick in here. So onClick equals set drags. A set drag. Just call it that. And then don't think I have anything in here called set drag. No. And what we want to do here is call the set sortable. We're gonna set sortable. The set sortable does all this here. So this I think will guarantee that when we click on it, it will set it, but I don't know if it will allow it to be dragged. That might be questionable. Ooh, it feels slower. It feels slower, but that's because it has to iterate through all of them. So if we do it for the current one, because there's sortables right here. Oh wait, so there's only... Okay, so hold on. Let's go bar. Yeah, that's better. And if I name this good ass albums, I take this screenshot. Huh, okay. So this should always be T index. Maybe not. Maybe this. Alright, there's that. And then we need to fix this issue over here. I don't know why is it because of this having a margin? How the fuck is it positioned? But like, why? It's because of this somehow. That's why. Oh, but if I do the hidden, what is so confused on how it has it does this overflow thing. So if it doesn't... Oh, it's this thing. Alright, no. So if it's not that anymore, this. Oh, why does that have a... Okay. Every day is payday. So for where you been at? Right, so if I do... So it was at like that, so if I set it to 0, set it like that, so then when we take the screenshot, have I looked at it? Like 17 pixels, so if I put 17 pixels in my search, Alright, hold on, I'm just cleaning up the code a bit. You don't need it. You don't need a lot of this shit. Yeah, we need to... Giovanni with 2019 WDSA. That did not work as I thought it would. Oh wait, I might have spelled it wrong. I think we're gonna put it in. I'm gonna just. I do not care. Well, I thought I was supposed to have the loading, you know? Huh. So the text got fucked up there, but I see why. And then what I need to check on is I need to check on why it pushes it down. I'm fine with that. I need to understand. Alright, so I'm gonna put this in this. Transparent. Oh, because it's transparent to what this is. This.
In her mouth, she hit my line and she ain't get no answer. She wonder what happened, she'll figure it out.
Then what?
Hopping that pussy and drowning, she argue. I just put my dick in her mouth. Think about killing me now with that chopper up posted and sticking around. Ain't no one stripping my crown on my way to the bench. You can't get to me now. I got my head in the clouds, my tongue in your bitch, and my feet on the ground.
But I do want. Oh, because wait, this is.
I get the drip in my clout.
I got snapbacks and a Pokédex. WDFA. They just don't know it yet. Messed up, I messed up. Oh my god, could they just approve it for ads already? Oh my god. Is that not centered? That is crazy. I think this has a border on it. And then this information is padded. Alright. I don't want to go to the radio. One thing I never checked on. Oh, that's fine. Like a glory hole. WebKit to do WebKit. Probably has custom scoreboard. Do 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 do. So let's get this for that here. And then let's get a darker. Like this. Okay, yeah, here. So we actually want something like this. And then on this. And then we want the width to be so down here. Insert this way. And then hold on, let me change my formatter real quick so I can format the I need to do this for my music side too. Prettier. Cleans up all the CSS. Alright, so let's take a look now. Wrist flip like Z. Certainly the contrast doesn't work that well, so let me actually get a color that will work well. But this, co-words on the winter. And then the web kit, scroll from track. we're gonna do that, I then think we should make it thicker so then we can see it. I think it's a bit too dark. I gotta look good. Did the I'm gonna take this color as this one here, and then take this color as this one. Hard body, same type of tap buttons, y'all. See, the fact that it's taking so long to get the ads on the site, it makes me wonder, like, is it gonna work? Okay, what I always also wanted to do was actually, let's do this. I think what we should do is add the background. Fuck. What we should do. I think we set back up. I needed to add. I think what I can do is and then I also want but so I said I want this background image to have an opacity but if I do opacity it's gonna do a parent. So it's saying to do this. Which I gotta be. To the back like an ass egg. gonna just do this, and then I'm gonna have to go run an errand. Then I'm gonna be back. I gotta go to the bank. Alright, I think I gotta put a span on maybe. Yeah, I gotta put a span over it. And then I also gotta put the check the law of physics. Inside text. How come? Alright, I need to float it over. How did they do it here? Position relative. Demo wrap. I'll move this over here. There we go. And then this needs why is the opacity going through? That's actually fine there. Position absolute, and then
motherfuckers just don't know it yet. You ain't got no badges, nigga, you ain't getting no respect. Farfetch with the stick, that's how I hold the tech. Hold your breath, boy, I don't say a word. The money talking like a rolling decks. Trapping like a wobble, boy, my shit is astonishing. I just beat the champion and you ain't got your starter yet. Challenging the god, where's your common sense? Nigga, I am looking like the master and you looking like the opposite. That's the type of shit that I'm on. TM64, I'm just waiting, that's a time bomb. Richer than a bitch, I'm getting green like a flag on. If your woman wanna rock, I give her something she can ride on. That's the way it happened now, I'm fresh up out of Pallet Town. Arms pick the hammers up, but never put the mallet down. HMO2, bitch, we flyer than a cap and gown. All these bullet punches, bitch, I'm starting to look like Pacquiao. I tell them niggas there is nothing new to this. A new bitch with me every season, nigga, I got numerous. My goons with me, please don't try no stupid shit. Run up with them Dracos out and they don't care about who it hits. Who could get Tofu in his element, Diancie on my neck and wrist. Pull up in a phantom gang or hop out like an exorcist. Who they think they messing with, my deck is looking excellent. Just call me the Pokemon specialist. I don't know why these niggas hate me. They probably hate because I rap about Pokemon better than they rap about anything. You know, hold on, I need 4 minutes. Let me go back in school. Hold on. I tell them grab a flying gem and then I flip it like an acrobat. Pop a nigga top and then I read his ass the Snapple facts. Only getting money in my friend's safari habitat. Kill you trash niggas, take no damage from the aftermath. Let's go back in 96, let's stay here. I had just got that rare version, but my Game Boy was not here. My mama was just chilling, so I had to make it clear. I don't got no time to talk to all your friends, I need my gear. Now I'm all up in the game, you best to know this nigga James. You were poppin', but now he's in basic, bitch, you a lame. Your Pokemon's the same, yeah, shit, I spit his flames, yeah, the top is what I aim for. I'm loving this new angle. How they back swerve when I pull up, ayy. His niggas all hurt, I'm a good look, ayy. Earthquake flow, now you look shook, ayy. Jenny got the cuffs, I'ma get booked, ayy. I'm on top, you at the bottom. You so useless, balloon road top. Take it from me, you slow bro dumb. You so shy by the flow, you know. I see it through you niggas, just like it is Focus Gym, ayy. Look into my eyes, you will see no bitch in him, ayy. Zapping ghost, no, ayy. That's been done before, ayy. I'm a mo stress, rising up the low, ayy. You can't
Okay, so justify content. What you holding B for? Alright, you can barely see that one, but okay. How well does that appear on the... Get at me, bitch. Hey, that's supposed to be centered. What the fuck? Did the motherfucker broke? See, look at it. It pushes all these letters down. Pushes all these letters down for some reason. I don't know why. I don't get it. Just
shoes on me costing double what you rent. No regrets, used to give a fuck, gave it up for Lent. What you spent just to be where we got invited to sit. Drunk as shit,
Yeah, so
break up a couple quick. Rum and blunts I hit, got me stumbling, but feel I'm running shit so fucking lit. They talking shit like who the fuck I'm is. Bitches mad, Houston, there will never be none other than. Y'all take that bitches in two, mine will come in six, and they suck it dick. Come in quick in case you wondering. Question me, click me dumping clips until you bumps get hit. Rich boys looking like the plug, but we ain't hustle bricks. While you spend your money trying to fuck these ratchets. Got the club jumping like gymnastics. He passed it, it's in asses. You can't grab an autograph. And the beat I touch, I turn to go, that's automatic. I swear to God, these rappers want no parts. Boy, I'm known to finish problems.
I need to understand why it does this.
You can catch me in the stars, that's where we are. All these women around me got me feeling myself. I've been drinking so much, probably killing my health. Jump out on a grilling, I'm revealing my wealth. And if I get the feel, you might tell. Get at me, bitch. Get at me, bitch. Get at me, bitch. Finger on the trigger, and I'm starting to get an itch. Ladies throwing pussy at me, about 100 on a bitch. I be spending all my money, but a nigga still rich, yeah. Get at me, bitch. Get at me, bitch. Drama me the shotty soccer, you gon' catch the kick. Now that this here making dollars, give a fuck who makes sense. Once a youngin' started popping, I've been ballin' ever since.
Need to understand why it's doing that. Because I believe the text is centered. I don't know.
Hey man, it's that 2013 Shofu and Young Bassor shit, man. We ignorant. Even though it's 2016, you know? IDM, we still up in this motherfucker. Young Basslord, I'm still up in this motherfucker. You already know Shofu in this motherfucker. And we skating on all y'all like and we flexing. We flexing on all y'all, man. Shofu, how are we flexing, dog? We flexing? CT Rex the track, so I'll make you drop your jaw just like Tarantron. Plant you on my side, go punk a boot, turn your ass into a phantom. Goddamn! Come through, I'm snatching your badges and money and girl up for ransom. Now she don't wanna leave. Like a barbarical, I'm just too handsome. Yeah, I'm a handful, straight out of Canto. I be your anthem, this is the anthem. Throw your banter, I just dismantle all of your chances. Haters swinging from my nuts like a lamp, huh? Live with this shit like a chandelier. Running through your six like Canada. Lanes with the standard, Sanders, spamming, skull trying to burn me like senator. You already owe me a debt, don't forget I'm a laboratory like a Lannister. Risk ain't so cold, it's on deliver. Like the winner Olympics, whipping up heat in the kitchen. Icy McSpicy, I'm pimping. Scrafty, I walk with the limping.
Like
Come with extensions like
somewhere in the
Flex on you traitors, my champ. Hold up, wait, hold up. Flex on you traitors, my champ. I ball on you.
I don't get it. I don't know.
These haters, they don't understand. Y'all don't get it. Hold up, wait, hold up. Flex on you traitors, my champ. Hold up, wait, hold up. Flex on you traitors, my champ. Hold up, wait, hold up. Flex on you traitors, my champ. I ball on you hoes like the rat. I ball
because it's like when I do this.
Flex on you traitors, my champ. Who the fuck is that bitch? I'm the king up in my city. Just carry crossing now, nobody fucking with me. Pussy ass niggas out here looking like a skitty. Used to feel so down and shitty, now I'm falling like I'm Whitney. Watch me roll out on them niggas, what the fuck is up? Slow me, I ain't going nowhere, I got suction cups. Used to put these niggas in the ground with the mud shots, but now I put them in the sky with the uppercuts. Sacred fire in the booth, you a liar, I'm the truth. Right, you light a nigga up, got me feeling like I'm Zeus. Harden on my body, if you bite and lose a tooth. Throw these fucking guard boaters, who you trying to pollute?
Because now it has a new whip. So why doesn't it get a new? I don't know. So cause like cause like, look, when I screenshot. Oh, and it's still at the border. Hold up. Wait, hold up. What's on the Yeah, see, why does it take that screenshot like that? Hey, that looks nice. But this doesn't look nice. And I don't know why it